Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram freeze account. To know how to fix Instagram freeze account, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page you will go to apps. And when you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram. Then you will find this page, you will go to force stop. When you will end this, you will go to storage, and then here in this page you will click clear cache. After that you will click clear data, and after all that you can turn off your phone so that you can know how to fix Instagram freeze account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.